Came from?
Maryland.
You drove all the way from Maryland?
All the way from Maryland.
What's going on with your PS5?
HDMI.
HDMI?
Yep.
Show it to us if you don't mind.
13 hours.
13 hours? Did you drive overnight?
Yep.
It took you 13 hours straight, or were you able to make it faster?
3 hours straight.
Wow, that's crazy. Oh yeah, I see. Yeah, right here.
Just right here.
It's all busted up. Yeah, we can knock that out for you ASAP, man. That's wild. Tell us what happens. Like it fell off.
It just fell and then you end up being like this. You don't work, you just come to the TV and nothing.
Wow, we'll fix you up, man. We can get you knocked out. Yeah, they're nice, man. Spending $120 on the HDMI port's a lot better than $1,000 for a new one.
All right, so 3 hours?
Yep, she's gonna get you checked in. I think we got everything that we need for you. So we'll go ahead and get it fixed up. And if you would, just hold on to the box and the cables. We don't need any of this, just the console. And we'll get it fixed up, man.
Yeah, I'm gonna make sure I have the right phone number.
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. We'll text you or give you a call as soon as it's done, okay?
All right, thank you so much.
We'll see you soon, brother. What was your name?
Alpha?
Alpha?
Yep.
Cool, man. Jonathan, it's a pleasure.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you,
And I have
too,
a YouTube TV, follow me.
Okay, give me a
Alpha
shout out.
TV.
Give me a shout out.
ALPHA TV.
Cool. I'll put if you send it to me, I'll put a link in the video for you.
All right, cool.
Yeah. See you, brother.
Video yet.
Yep. All right, brother. We'll see you soon. So we're about to get started on this. I did know the HDMI port on this particular one was pushed all the way through. We can see here that these components were actually knocked off and will need to be soldered back. But this is not a problem at all. We can fix this pretty easily. It's quite common, unfortunately, on the PS5s. So as we can see, we've got the old port removed, and now we have to put in a new port, and we're gonna have to fix the cap and diode on the other side that's probably either missing or knocked off. Yeah. See, there's one missing, and then that diode will have to be put back. So we can actually pull that missing cap from a PlayStation 4 board. A lot of these in here around the backside of the processor are actually the same size caps and will fit perfectly fine. So we can pull one from the donor board and replace it with the one that's missing or that was knocked off from the damage on the HDMI port, and it'll work perfectly fine. Now we're going to remove all of the old solder that's on the current pads. We want to put some low melt solder. It's going to make this process a lot easier and allow us to fix it right. New HDMI port. port is installed. We just got to clean up all of the flux that we use, but brand new. Should work perfectly fine. HDMI port is done. It's replaced. Let's see, there's no more damage. All the missing caps are put back. The diode is realigned properly. Now we just got to actually test it. Steve, you know where we put that, the console? Is it?
Yeah, it's right there.
Okay, perfect. Beautiful. So we got it back together. We don't have to put it all the way back together to actually test everything. Just gonna do a partial rebuild so we can actually test the HDMI port. Alright. Turn it on. We've got a test monitor hooked up right here. Oh yeah. It's fixed. It's good to go. Customer's gonna be super happy. Look at that. Alright guys, if you guys need your PlayStation fixed, you can go to XiRepair.com, get a free label, mail it to us. We typically can fix it within a day or two. Shipping's paid for by us to us. We do hundreds of them from all over the country and be happy to do yours.
Well,
Was it a good experience?
yeah, it was a pretty good experience.
Fast, affordable?
Fast, affordable, quick, and without no problem.
No problem.
Easy fix.
Awesome.
Real quick.
Awesome.
Yes, and I'm really happy.
Thank
I
you.
can't stop smiling.
We can't see it because of the
I
mask.
can see it, Yeah, I can't stop smiling.